Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In this quick video, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of list building and building assets to create sustainable long-term business growth. So the big problem with e-commerce dropshipping that everybody is doing right now, and everybody is making this really fatal mistake, is that everybody is just concerned with going out there, finding a winning product, taking that product, maybe building a one product store, scaling that store, that product, and then that product will die off. Most products really only last about 2-3 months, the products that do quite well. And then that product dies off and everything comes crashing down. They tear down the store, they relaunch a new store, scale that store up, that product does well, tear it down, start another one, scale it up again. And this churn and burn mentality and methodology is really causing a lot of problems when it comes to actually building something long term. Because the truth is, every time you tear it down, you start from scratch. And when you start from scratch, when you're continually starting from scratch, you are never building a competitive advantage over anybody because you are starting from zero, just like everybody else. And that is the big problem. So most people, when it comes to e-commerce dropshipping, most people are just focused on what they can see. What is really being taught right now, and it's really the wrong way to do things, is just going out there, finding a product, paying Facebook some money, driving traffic to, we're going to say this iceberg is our product, making a few sales, hopefully making a little bit of profit, but then eventually that will die off and then your business will die as well. A big lesson I learned a few years ago when I first kind of started getting into this is that amateurs focus on the front end and experts focus on the back end. And what does that mean? So when it comes to dropshipping, especially dropshipping, everybody is just focused on making front end sales, trying to put an ad up with a good product, hopefully making a little bit of money. That is all people are focused on. And why, yes, that can be great to maybe make your first little bit of money online. You are not building a sustainable business if you are not building any kind of back end of your business, or you are not doing anything to build assets. If you have the mindset of just building a store, scaling a product, and then tearing it back down again, then you are never going to actually build a long-term business, okay? So what I really want to talk to you about today is focusing on list building and building out a back end. So when it comes to list building and email marketing, you should be making $1 per email per month on your email list. Now, if you have a list of 10,000 people, that means that you should, if you're treating that list right, then you should be making about $10,000 per month on average. And just me, for example, I'm making about $2 to $3 per email per month on my email lists, okay? Because this is really what I'm focusing on, and I want you to understand why you need to focus on it as well. So understand that most people, when it comes to dropshipping, are just focusing on this bit, okay? They're running Facebook ads to a product, and that is it. But the truth is, they are missing out on everything that is beneath the surface. When it comes to list building, building an email list, that is your business. Your business is your leads, your email list, because you can do so much with your email list. Say, for example, you had 100,000 emails on your email list. That means you should be making $100,000 per month. If you're making $1, like I said, I'm making about $2 to $3. So most people are just focusing on this. Most people have this really bad churn and burn mentality of finding a product, scaling it up, and then tearing it down and starting again. And understand that that is not how you are going to build something long term. What you really need to be doing and focusing on is building your email list and trying to at least make $1 per email, $1 per email per month, okay? You're building up this asset, and that asset is only going to grow and get stronger over time. And yes, while you can still go ahead and focus on making those profitable front end sales, you are going to start doing email marketing, building up this big email list, and start building up an asset that you can monetize every single month, and you don't have to pay any money to send emails, okay, which is fantastic. Understand that most people, when it comes to dropshipping, most people are just doing a sequence of 3 abandoned cart emails, and that is not email marketing. You are leaving so much money on the table when you are not building an email list. Okay, so I really want you to understand that while most people are doing this, most people might make a little bit of flash in the pan money. Okay, if you're doing it, yes, you can make a little bit of money using this churn and burn model. But are you going to be around in a few years? Probably not. Okay, because if you're constantly pulling things down and starting from scratch, you are not building a competitive advantage over your market. But if you can build, say, 100,000 emails, 10,000 emails even, that is going to give you a competitive advantage. And that's really what you need to be focusing on. I'm focusing on this with all of my businesses, whether that's e-commerce or otherwise, but understand that list building is how you are going to be around for the long term. Building up an email list of people that like, know, and trust you, then they will buy from you. Don't just be sucked into this churn and burn model that everybody is doing. This is where my attention is now going, and I really encourage you to start moving your attention into actually building assets, because assets are the things that are going to give you the competitive advantage. They're the things that are going to allow you to make money long term, not just some flash in the pan money. And the thing is, when Facebook's so volatile at the moment. If Facebook shuts you down, but you have an email list of 50,000 people, well, you're still going to be able to make money off that list while you kind of work out how you're going to get restarted on Facebook. But if you are just running a front-end business, then any change in the market, you are really living life on a knife's edge, okay? Facebook shutting you down, your business is over. Anything that happens, your business is done, okay? But when you have an asset that you can just send an email and make money, you're gonna be around forever. You're gonna be around for a long time, providing you are treating your email list right. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope this helps you. Understand, I am focusing a lot more on developing back-end, developing a good relationship with my list, and being able to send out these emails. I'm not as concerned anymore with just trying to make a quick buck through front-end sales, okay? Because that front-end sale model where you're just building up a store, scaling a store, then churning it and burning it and starting again, that's not going to keep you around long term. That is not a real business. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope this has opened your eyes a little bit about what you really should be focusing on moving forward. List building, building a back end, building a real business. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.